Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video we have discussed about string compare. We have seen a program how to compare the strings using string compare and without using string compare. In today's video, we will discuss about one more function, string function, that is string reverse. So we will see a program on how to reverse a string using string reverse and without using string reverse. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Watch the video till the end. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the videos to all your friends. So let us see how to reverse the string using the built-in function string reverse and without using the built-in function string reverse. That is, we need to write the code for that. So first we'll see how to reverse the string using string reverse. Well, string reverse, in order to get the definition of string reverse, we need to include the header file string.h. And it takes one argument, which is a character pointer, because we need to point a string. So we need to point, or we need to pass a character which is character pointer. So it is pointer to string. So one argument it is taking which is pointer to a string, and what it has to do, it has to reverse that, and again it has to return a character pointer, again a pointer to string which is a reverse string. So here I can say I am passing S1 and the reverse string is storing in S2. This is actually the process that what the built-in function has. Well, we need not break our head to know the code of it. Well, the reverse function is taking one argument, and what it is going to return? Again it is going to return string. It will take string as argument, pointer to string, and again it is going to return. What it is going to return? It is going to return string itself, which is reversed string. So let us write the code of this, like how to reverse a string using this string reverse. So what we need to do here, a very simple code. Let me have a character array and I have initialized to this name Yashoda, and this string has to be reversed. So what I am doing, I am using this function strrev. Well, we need to include the header file string.h. We need to include string.h. So void main as usual. Well, at the end we will have the complete program. We will see all the complete code of the program. So we have the character array and we have initialized that to Yashoda, and we need to reverse this. I am using string reverse. I am passing the string. The array name will give you the base address. So it is acting as a pointer to this string. So it will be pointing, S1 will be having the base address. So it is acting as a pointer to string. So it is pointing to 2001, where I have the sequence of characters, and this will be reversed. Reverse in the sense, what will be the answer? The answer is, it is A, D, O, H, S, A, Y. So this is what the reversed string. This answer I need to get, and it is going to return that reverse string. Again, it is a pointer to string. And then what I'll do, I'll say printf percentages, print that S1. So again, the reverse string will be stored in that S1 itself. It will be reversed and it will be stored in S1 itself. If you want to store it in a different string, you can simply assign one more string, one more character array you can take and you can assign it. If you don't want, if you want to print the same string, you can simply say S1. Or else you can just have one more array. You can just say here, I can say character S2. Then here I can say, here I need to have character S2. Then I need to say S2 equal to string reverse of S1. Then I can print here S2. Well, S1 will have the original string and S2 will have the reverse string. So you can do like this. Very simple. We did not break the head like how the string reverse is going to work, what is the code of that, all those things. Only thing that we should know is what is the argument it is taking and what it is going to return. It is going to take the pointer to string as an argument, and again it is going to return a pointer to string itself. That is what with string reverse. But how to do without using the string reverse? So we need to think about the logic here. So how we need to do here? So that we need to see. So here what happens when I say I am reversing the string. So here we have the total length as how much? 0 to 6 it is 7, and one extra byte to store the null character. When I say I need to reverse, this character should be placed here and this one it has to come here. So it is something like swapping, that what we need to do. Swapping means what? Interchanging. So A should come here. So what I'll do here, when I say reverse a string, the logic we need to think. A should come here and Y should go here. Right? Then again, D should come here and this A should go here. O should come here and S should come here. And the H, there is no swapping required, it remains. So here, what I can think here is, I need not go up to the null character. We don't want this null character concept at all here. We are simply interchanging, right? And when we come to this middle character, it remains as it is. So means to say, I am traversing from the beginning till the mid of the array, half of the length of the array. So we need to find the length of the array here. So when I say you have to go to the mid of the array, half of the length of the array means we need to find the length of the character string. So we can use string length and we'll get the length. So length equal to how much? It is totally 7. So half of the length of the array we need to traverse. So 7 divided by 2, it is 3.5. We will take the integer part. So it is half of the array. So till here I'll traverse. So here what happens? Y will go here, A will come here, and again A will go here, D will, like this we will do the interchange. But one thing we should know here, when I do the interchange, it gets overwritten, right? So when I say I need to place Y here, this will go off. Or when I say A will come here first time, Y will go off. So I need to keep a backup of that. So what I have to do, I have to keep the backup of the letter in a temporary variable. Say for example, I just say CH, say S1 of I means 0, I will store. Then I'll bring this character here. Then what to do? So some logic has to be applied here. So what will be that logic? Let us see that logic now. So here is the coding for reversing a string without using string reverse. So here we have the array name is S1 and I have initialized to Yashoda. So as usual it has been initialized. Then we have some supporting variable ch for storing the values temporarily, and some control variable I and L to store the length of the array, because we need to find the length of the array and half of the length we need to traverse. Because when we do the exchange here, look at this exchange like how we do. S1 of 6, S1 of 6 should come to S1 of 0. Then S1 of 5 will come to S1 of 1. See, S1 of 6 means it is A will come here, S1 of 0. Then S1 of 5 which is D has to come to S1 of 1. So D will come here. Okay. Then S1 of 4 which is O will come to S1 of 2. Then S1 of 3, when I come to S1 of 3, it remains there itself. There is no swapping required here. So here what happens? When A will come here, Y should go there. So when I place A here, Y will be overwritten. We should avoid that. So what we need to do? We need to take a backup of this Y. A backup of Y has to be taken, and then I need to write the copy of this to this place. So that we need to do here. So how we are going to do that? Let us see now. So here we have the character, that is Y. So we will see. So half of the array we need to go. So for that we are finding the length. For that we are using string length function. What is the length of S1? It is 0 to 6 means it is 7. L value will be 7. Now the loop starts I equal to 0, 0 less than length divided by 2. L is 7, 7 divided by 2 it is 3.5. As it is of integer type, I is of integer type, it will take the whole part. The answer is 3. So it means to say it will traverse up to 3. Up to 3, less than 3. So I equal to 0. Let me write the iterations, then you can understand easily. So in this process, how we are doing the swapping of the characters one by one, that we need to see now. So it is I equal to 0, initialization first. Initialization will be done once. Then check the condition. 0 less than length divided by 2. Length is 7. 7 by 2 it is 3.5. It will take the whole part, so it is 3. 0 less than 3, yes, condition true. Then get inside and execute this complete block. The first thing that what I am doing here, as soon as I enter into the loop, see, as I said, I need to take the backup of the characters and then I need to swap. So when I do the swapping, I have to take a backup. So I say S1 of I means 0. I say CH equal to S1 of, this is what the I value, S1 of I means S1 of 0. So what is S1? S1 is a pointer to the string. It is having, the array name will give you the base address. So it is pointing to the location 2001. So S1 of I means it is 0. S1 of 0 means it is Y. It is Y. Store that to CH. So CH will have the copy of that Y. Now, next step. Look at here. Some complication is here. So what we are doing here, I say S1 of length minus 1 minus I. Length is 7. 7 minus 1 minus I. I means how much? It is 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 0 is 6. It means to say it is S1 of 6. What is S1 of 6? S1 of 6. So, S1 of 6, it is what? See, it is length minus 1 minus I. So, I have to take this last character, right? So, length minus 1 minus I. So, minus 1 minus I is 0. So, it is S1 of 6. S1 of 6 means it is A. That I need to store into S1 of I. I is 0. So, S1 of 0, S1 of 0, I am getting S1 of 6. That is what this first line I am doing here, right? So, S1 of 6 is A. That I need to store it into S1 of 0. So, whatever I had in S1 of 0, I have already taken a backup of that into CH. So, I need not worry about it. So, S1 of 6, which is A, I am overwriting that to this particular position. So, here S1 of 0, what it became? It became the value of S1 of 6. So, here my answer is, let me write it in a different color. So, it is S1 of 0 will have A now. So, it is A. Got it. Next, then whatever I have in CH, that I need to store it into S1 of L minus 1 minus I. So, it is S1 of length is 7. 7 minus 1 minus I means we are still in the first, this one, count. It is 0. So, it is 6 minus 0, it is 6. So, it is S1 of 6. So, what is S1 of 6? S1 of 6, what I should get? Whatever value I have in CH. CH is having Y. CH is having Y. That I need to store here. So, here S1 of 6 will get the value that what I have taken the backup in CH. So, here S1 of 6 will have Y. See, done with one swap. We have interchanged, right? Okay. Then take a loop back. I gets increased. I becomes how much? I value changes, I gets increased, I becomes 1. 1 less than 3? Yes, condition satisfied. Now I'll say CH, just take out all these values. We will have new values now. Okay. So here what I should do? CH equal to S1 of I means 1. I means 1. S1 of 1. What is S1 of 1? What is S1 of 1? S1 of 1 is A. It is S1 of 1 is A. That I need to store to CH. Now the new value for CH is A. Okay. I need to safeguard this. Means I need to take a backup of this. See, when I override, the original value will be deleted. The new value will come. So before I get the new value, the original value I need to take a backup. That we are doing here with CH. So S1 of 1 it is A. Store that in A. Means take a copy of that. In fact, it will not go off. We will not delete it. A copy of S1 of 1 will be taken into CH. When I bring this character to this position, then it will be overwritten. Okay. Next. Then I say S1 of length is 7 minus 1 minus I. What is I value? It is 1. 7 minus 1 it is 6. 6 minus 1 it is 5. Means to say S1 of 5. What do we have in S1 of 5? S1 of 5 it is D. S1 of 5 it is D. Store that into S1 of I. I means how much? I is how much? It is 1. S1 of 1 I should get S1 of 5. So this one I am doing now. So whatever I have in, so this I have done. This I am doing now. S1 of 5 to be stored in S1 of 1. So S1 of 5, what do we have? It is D. That I need to store it into S1 of 1. So here what I'll get? I'll get the new value, that is D. Okay. Next. S1 of 7 minus 1 means it is 5. Get the value of CH. So it is S1 of 5. S1 of 5, I'll get the value of CH. So what do I have in CH? CH, I have this value, that is A. So S1 of 5, I'll get the new value, that is A. Got it? Then again take a loop progress. I gets increased. I becomes how much? I becomes 2. 2 less than 3? Yes. Condition 2. Once again get inside. CH equal to S1 of I. S1 of I means I value it is 2. S1 of 2, this one. Whatever I have in S1 of 2, take a copy of that into CH. Now CH value, let me erase all these things. So CH value, what I am going to get? The value that what I have in S1 of 2. S1 of 2 I have yes, that will be stored in CH. Then come to this point. S1 of I equal to S1 of length minus 1 minus I. So it is 7 minus 1 minus I value means how much? 2. 7 minus 1 it is 6. 6 minus 2 it is how much? It is 4. Means say S1 of 4. So what do I have in S1 of 4? This one. S1 of 4 I am having what? S1 of 4 I am having O. That I need to store into S1 of I. I means it is 2. S1 of 2. So S1 of 2, I am going to get this S1 of 4. So this I am doing. S1 of 4, store it in S1 of 2. So 4, I have 0. That I need to store into S1 of 2. So what is the new value for S1 of 2? It is O. Then, whatever I have in CH, you store it into S1 of 4. 7 minus 1 minus I value means it is 2. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 2, it is 4. The same thing here. So S1 of 4, whatever value I have in CH, that I need to store. So what do I have in CH? I have Yes, I have yes. So what is S1 of 4? I get yes. Okay, got it. So it is wo. So these interchange we have done, and look back, I gets increased, I becomes 3. Because the middle character, I need not do any changes, I need not do any swapping, it remains the same thing itself. 3 less than 3, no, the condition not satisfied. What is the reverse string? So let me write the original name. So it is, see, even I am getting confused. It is YASHODA. Reverse ADOHSAY. Did I get that? ADOHSAY. See? Reverse string. So 3 less than 3, condition not satisfied. Come out of the loop. Control to this point. Print the reverse string. Percentage yes 1. So yes 1. I'll get that reversed string. So this is how the logic runs. Hope you have understood with this. So this is what dry run of the program. So let us see the actual execution of the program. So here is the program where we have used the inbuilt function string reverse. So using string reverse, we are trying to reverse the string. The initialized string is Yashoda, and I'm simply trying to print that. So let us see the execution of this. See, you can just have a valid message saying that reverse string. I say reverse string percentage yes. Save that. Control F9. See, this is how we do with built-in function. So let us see the code of how to reverse the string without using built-in function. Right? So let me open the file. I have saved it. Yeah. So here is the code to reverse the string. So this is the for loop. We are finding the length of the string using string length. Initialized string is Yashoda. We have some supporting variables, character CH, L, I, all those things. We'll find the length. So length will be stored in L. Then the loop starts from 0 to length divided by 2. And this code we have seen in the dry run. So let us execute this. See, reverse string is, see, ADOHSAY. So hope you have understood with the logic of this. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.